In the daily management of aquaculture, the stability of water quality and sediment is crucial for the healthy growth of fish and shrimp. Sodium persulfate is a water and sediment regulator designed specifically for daily maintenance. With core values of mild and long-lasting cleaning power, indirect oxygenation advantage, and compatibility without changing water pH, it perfectly complements potassium monopersulfate and sodium percarbonate, making it an ideal choice for regular maintenance scenarios, comprehensive and mild functions. It has strong oxidation capacity, achieving sediment improvement, while gently decomposing organic matter such as residual bait and feces in water to prevent harmful substance accumulation. It also achieves indirect oxygenation by reducing water oxygen consumption with long-lasting and stable effects. Wide acid-base compatibility. It is neutral to slightly acidic, does not change water pH during use, and can be safely applied to both acidic and alkaline ponds without worrying about acid-base imbalance. Higher safety with low irritation. It has almost no impact on the growth and development of aquatic organisms, such as fish and shrimp under regular dosage, suitable for long-term regular use. Daily sterilization and maintenance. Despite strong sterilization effects, its core advantage lies in daily water and sediment maintenance, rather than targeted disease treatment. The core positioning of sodium persulfate is a daily mild maintenance type water and sediment regulator. Regular use maintains the stability of the pond ecosystem in advance, preventing the deterioration of water and sediment quality from the source. It is not a substitute for other regulators, but a clear functional complement. Complementarity with potassium monopersulfate. Potassium monopersulfate is a high-efficiency sediment regulator, focusing on strong sterilization, specifically treating acute problems, such as severe water pollution and excessive harmful bacteria. Sodium persulfate focuses on daily regular maintenance. The two work synergistically to ensure pond ecological health. Complementarity with sodium percarbonate. Sodium percarbonate is an emergency oxygenator that rapidly releases a large amount of oxygen to solve fish and shrimp hypoxia crisis floating head, but has a short duration and only relieves symptoms. Sodium persulfate achieves indirect oxygenation by removing oxygen-consuming substances, with mild and long-lasting effects, fundamentally reducing hypoxia crises, and forming a dual guarantee of emergency rescue plus source prevention. To ensure safe use and effectiveness, the following 4 points must be noted. For partners, we Zhanhua Chemical recommend first testing the compatibility and sediment improvement effect of sodium persulfate in sediment regulator tablet formulations. Its mild and long-lasting cleaning power and pH-stable feature make the tablets more suitable for farmers' daily maintenance needs. Confirm bulk orders after being satisfied with trial orders to reduce cooperation risks.